revolution question here to be done without a calculator. So I've got a graph of 5x squared between x equals 1, x equals 8, and we can assume this is bigger than 1 because it came second. Rotated through 360 degrees about the x-axis. The volume of the solid formed is 155. So, can look a little intimidating, but what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make up an expression with the volume, and because it's a volume, it's pi outside. My limits are a and 1. I'm going to take y, which is this, and again, because it's a volume, I'm going to square it. And all I'm doing here is just getting all the information from the question that's written into a maths form, like that. And I also know what that equals for this question. It equals 155. Pi. Let's not forget the pi. Now, straight away, when I see this expression, the first thing I'm going to do with this expression is cancel that pi with that pi there. Gone. Makes everything nice and easy. This is 25x to the power of 4. And so when I now do the integration, 25 x to the power of 4 becomes x to the power of 5 by adding 1 to the power. Divide by 5. Nice and neat. 25 can be divided by 5, so that's looking good. Now we're going to use the square brackets. Remember, this is a non-calculator paper, so the numbers should be nice and easy to work with. I know that equals 155. So now I'm going to put a into here. So 25 divided by 5 is 5, so I'm going to have 5a to the power of 5 minus 1 goes in here to give me 5 to the power of 1 to the power of 5 is just 5 equals 155. Now, various ways I can solve this, but I think I want to add 5 to both sides to make it 160. Divide both sides by 5, and this is going to give me 32. Therefore, a equals 2, because 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So it will look like an intimidating question, really quite straightforward, and because it's a non-calculator paper, the numbers are nice to deal with.